It's the Meditative Investor back for another video, and in this video I'm going to give you a portfolio update, how my portfolio did on this Monday, what am I going to do with my AMC calls, and also we're going to talk about why I'm potentially more than likely I'm going to be leaving Robinhood. Okay, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you want to watch videos dealing with investing, stock trading, and also how to become a meditative investor and how to keep your emotions in check so we can grow your wealth to the moon. Okay, so let's go ahead and hop into this video. I'm going to go ahead and hop into my portfolio here. We're going to go ahead and open up Robinhood. As you can see, today I am up 1.39%. As you can see, I had this nice spike this morning, mainly because of what happened with AMC this morning. It opened up pretty good, but then again, it just freaking, some manipulation is potentially happening. So, but I did invest money that I'm willing to lose, only like around 700 bucks maybe, or 500, somewhere around there. I'm not quite sure. But overall, we ended in the green. As you can see, I have less buying power today because I made a couple of plays, and I'll show you what those were. I did put them in a Discord this morning whenever I made them. So if you want to hop into the Discord where we call out our trades and call out our stocks that we're investing in real time as soon as we make them, the link is in the description below, just to show you how I've been doing so far. Past week up 9%, past month 75%, 3 months almost 400%, guys. So we've been doing pretty okay. So the plays that I did make today is I bought my BNGO calls. All right, I did get those on a dip. BNGO, as you can see, has been trading down this whole week. So I have this feeling that they're gonna have a nice squeeze or a nice run up here soon. The calls that I got were pretty far out, so I have almost four or 5 months. Yeah, no, 3 months. February, March, April, May. Yeah, no, 4 months. I have like around 4 months until they expire, so I have a feeling that BNGO is going to make some pretty decent moves by May. I may exercise these depending on what's happening with the company, or I might just sell for a profit. But I got 2 contracts averaging out around 520 a piece, so 1,000 of equity. Another play that I made was a stock, actually. I built out half of my position in ZON, got 500 shares at an average cost of 99 cents. I called that out in the Discord earlier. So far I had a pretty nice run up, 8% so far. I plan on getting 1,000 shares of this, and I'm holding this for potentially 3-4 months, probably around the time my May calls expire as well. So those are the 2 plays that I made. Some of the big movers today, man, DIAX, guys. Man, I put you guys on this a while ago. I've been holding this for some time, probably since December, and I got big predictions for this company. Again, I'm not a financial advisor, but I mean, this right here, I have a feeling that this company can make some big moves, man. We can see 10, 15, 20, maybe even $30 this year, maybe. I'm not sure on that, but that's just what I see with the catalyst and the meetings that I have seen as far as their investor presentations that I've seen. This company has some big things in the works. VGAC did pretty good. As you can see, guys, my AMC calls went down approximately, actually not too bad. Today's return 0.5%. Overall, I'm still up over 400%. If AMC drops below 10, I'm probably going to sell out. My plan is to hold until my expiration date, which is February 19th. But at some point, I mean, if it goes below $10, because I probably will sell out of my position. So that's it for the portfolio review. As far as why I am going to be potentially leaving Robinhood, what they are doing is not cool in my book. I'm very it's just very disappointed in how the CEO and how the company decides to go about halting trades or limiting certain stocks or certain number of shares that you can get on certain companies. That is just downright not cool. So more than likely here's my plan, is to probably finish out my ZOM shares. I'm going to buy my 500 shares of ZOM, and I'm going to let these options finish out. So as you can see, I got some that finish out next week, the 19th of February, the 19th of March. I got some that expire in April and also in May. Now these IDEX, more than likely, I'm probably going to exercise them and move them over to my Fidelity account. So what I'm going to be doing is over time, slowly liquidating this portfolio and moving all of the cash over to Fidelity. I just don't know what it's like transferring options over to Fidelity. I think it shouldn't be a problem if like these IDEX that expires like in July and January of 2022, and these Genius calls that expire in the year 2022. I think those should be fine. But yeah, I just don't really like how they do things. And plus Fidelity, it's not the most prettiest site as far as the mobile app and all that stuff, or even the desktop. But at least their platform works from what I've seen, because I have most of my other accounts in Fidelity. And they just have different features that Robinhood doesn't have. The only thing with Fidelity is that they charge you 65 cents or 70 cents per option contract that you do. I think every time you get into an option contract, not whenever you sell. So that's my plan. You're still going to be seeing me using Robinhood up until that point. But once you see me using Fidelity, I'm probably going to switch over to a computer format, mainly because it looks better than the phone. There's so much scrolling I got to do with the phone, left and right and all that stuff, so it can look pretty confusing. So that's my plan when it comes to my brokerage accounts. Everything is going to be consolidated into one platform. So yeah, so blessings. If you got something from this video, go ahead and hit a like button. Hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and be on the lookout for future videos where I'll be giving you some new stocks that I'm going to be looking at purchasing, or just stocks, my current stocks when I'm going to be adding to those positions. Okay. Also check out the Discord link below. It is a paid Discord, monthly subscription, cancel any time, but we're going to be calling out our trades in the stock market, also in the crypto area as well. Okay, so you get it on both sides of the spectrum. Because after what happened with Robinhood and TD Ameritrade and Schwab and all these different brokerages, and they halted where you can only where you can only sell and not buy, that stuff is slowly going to shift over into decentralizing trading over time, not immediately. So you may want to consider diversifying your portfolio and getting into some of the crypto currency markets. Maybe. Totally up to you. I'm just here, pass some guidance, pass some wisdom, pass some knowledge, okay? Blessings to you. Until next time, I'm out. Later.